Good morning to everybody. Today is really a pleasure for me to present the unique solution that we as a particle measuring system has developed for microbial environment monitoring in pharma companies and which is in line with data integrity, and it's the BioCapt single use. As you can see in this picture, the BioCapt single use is a combination of an impactor and agar plate in one single unit. Thanks to its design, the BioCapt single use eliminates the risk of false positive, and because of this unique feature, you can decrease the number of deviation and therefore the cost of investigation. As we have seen, BioCapt single use is a combination of impactor and agar plate. So that means that the label on each unit give us information about not only the agar but also the impactor. Each label has a three-dimension QR code and it's in line with guidelines HDMA since it's not removable. If we consider the traditional microbial sampling with the stainless steel impactor, the barcode is present only on the agar plate. So that means that in case of positive, we are not able to include impactor in the investigation, and they will lose the opportunity and the ability to analyze all components involved during the sample. So, if you wanted to have a microbial air sampling in compliance with data integrity requirements, BioCapt single use is the solution for you. You can easily integrate it in your data management system and to have a clear and precise analysis of your data. You can visit our website and Knowledge Center and to have additional information about not only BioCapt single use, but also concerning all other important topics. Thank you for your attention, and for any additional information, please contact your local particle measuring system sales rep. Thank you.